Changing the language in the Uber Eats app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon or the account settings option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to settings. In the account settings menu, look for the settings option. Tap on it to open the settings menu where you can find various customization options. Step 4. Select language preferences. Within the settings menu, find the language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages that you can choose from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Select your desired language from the list. Once selected, the app will automatically update to display in a chosen language. After completing these steps, the Uber Eats app will reflect your language preference. Enjoy using the app in your preferred language.